She's been making some big waves lately, and I think we're about to see her make a huge splash.
They need to do some breathing exercises or something. Unlock the inner peace.
I'm a little surprised to hear that from you, Corey. You endorse anyone who brings a little animosity to the ring.
Well, maybe sometimes I do, but this is too much. They should dial it back. Do some yoga.
This is a huge opportunity for her tonight. I think she plans on proving why she deserves more big matches like this.
The referee calls for the bell, and this matchup's underway. Oh, the ref's down already.
Friendly fire after the opening bell. We have no official, but these two superstars continue to fight.
Ref took a nasty fall. I wonder, can they continue?
Brawling on the outside of the ring. These superstars can use anything within reach.
The bell rings, coming right off the heels of some underhanded tactics.
Talk about hitting the ground running. Whatever it takes to start things off with the advantage.
Oh, man.
And into the side headlock.
Escapes and establishes a race for...
Quick takedown there.
She's fighting to get back up, but I don't think that fight's about to matter.
Totally locked on her target. Direct and brutal impact.
Followed up by another to the chest.
A quick reversal from her.
Reversals, reversals, and more reversals. Counters on counters. Technical prowess on display.
Ring the bell. She got put to the test there. Clotheslines. Well-placed kick right to the face. He fights back.
Boom! Connect.
Going for a pin attempt.
She overcomes the pinfall attempt.
Still fighting the good fight here.
And look at this now. Bad intentions coming with this hold.
Trapped in the armbar.
Well, that's one way to get out of it.
Driving the point of the elbow in deep. Placing her in the corner here. Able to parry that one.
She had that scouted.
Kick to the midsection. Looking for the straitjacket.
Targeting this
Into the pin.
Is that enough?
She gets the shoulder.
This has been a hard-fought match. The
continue fighting and hope your next big move is the last one.
Boxing their way out of that move.
Lift it up. What's next?
Just slashing the windpipe here.
Looking for something big here.
Stalking from above.
Up high. Oh, a diving hurricanrana. Answers with an enziguri, crashing to the floor.
She's running the crowd behind her.
Stepping out of the ring here.
Waistlock applied and launched into a German suplex.
Manages to reverse it. She lost some of her stamina at this stage.
Every move costs double at this point. Now is where you really see what somebody is made of.
Wait a minute. Looked like hooks the heel and stretches it out.
Torturing their opponent.
Ooh. Coming back from the outside now.
Gesturing to her opponent that she's more than ready.
Boy, she was getting close to a count out. Kick to the gut. Ooh, brutal form. And she reversed it.
A string of counters.
We're big and get her out of. Well, that's a cradle.
Cradle DDT.
Might have her shoulders down. She beat the count. I thought she was done. Big maneuver. Going into the cloverleaf submission here.
3/4 of the way into the cloak.
Will it get countered? Yes. Not letting the submission attempt do any more damage here.
Trading back and forth blows now.
Ooh.
Oh, this exchange is whipping this capacity crowd into a frenzy. Fatigue more than setting in, but these superstars are refusing to let up. And this crowd is loving every second of it.
And deep into the match, she's taking on more offense.
She can only consume this amount of pain for so long before succumbing to its effects. Each exchange just something. Nothing pretty about this. Just a good old Donnybrook here.
Well-placed shot gets the final word in this exchange.
Tremendous German suplex. And now she's making it to the top rope here. From the top. Elbow drop. Good Lord. That might have put it away. Victory. These women put on quite a show. Here's another look. To defeat them, they are standing tall now.
I'll give them one thing. They definitely know how to take a beating.
I wouldn't exactly call the cheap shot they took a beating, but I'll agree that they're resilient.